back to Sal's garage. So I'm going to be installing some resonators for the E93 M3. We're going with the total flow resonator today. They're a little bit small, but this is going to allow us to get a cleaner sound and a little bit lower volume. This is what the inside looks like, straight through design. And they're about a 6-inch resonator in length and a 4-inch body width.
Ooh, flame! Wow. It definitely doesn't sound as raspy as before. I feel like it's more pleasing to listen to. That's fun. It sounds so fun.
We have the car in M mode or M dynamic mode, and I have the top down. It's a convertible, so you can really hear the exhaust. As you can see, there's no more rasp around 3,000 RPM. It's just a nice smooth tone, and it's very pleasant to the ears now. It's not ear piercing like I said. And here's the downshifts. Downshifts are loud, but they're not ear piercing anymore. It just sounds really good. So here's let's rev it out here. Sounds really good. Still shooting flames because there's no cats.
Yeah.
But man, man, those downshifts, it's just the right amount of volume. Before, these used to really hurt the ears, the downshifts.
Right.
So with the valves closed, all you hear is just induction noise. We have a custom modified intake plenum made out of glass, and it sounds really, really nice. You can hear a lot of intake and induction noise. And I also have a custom made sound tube going from the intake manifold straight into where the cabin area is, where we are, or where the driver is, so you really hear the induction noise a lot better. So as you can see, even with the valves closed, it still sounds really good. So you have two options. You want to hear induction noise, close the valves, and if you want to hear exhaust noise, open the valves like I'm doing right now. Yeah, this used to rasp a lot. It used to be really raspy around this range here. Remnants of the rasp, but you can still hear cleanly the sound. It's not too annoying or unpleasant to the ear. I'm really happy with this quad resonator setup. If anyone's on the fence about a quad resonated setup without cats, it sounds perfect. There's no rasp. It's a deep tone in the low RPMs, and it's a high pitched sound in the high RPMs. You can't go wrong with this setup. It's really nice and very inexpensive for what we paid. I think it's a great bang for your buck, and then the fact that you get like the cheap valved exhaust from eBay, man, it sounds really nice. So that was a fun drive. Thank you guys for watching and sticking around. If you like this kind of content, please leave a like and a comment. I answer all of them. And please subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every one of y'all, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good evening.